Alright, so now I've verified that my bushings are correct, that the powder is dispensing in the correct bushing now, and it was not what the recommendation was with the chart, so you do have to check those out every now and then and verify it. Don't trust any of the guides. So now I'm just going to go ahead and drop my shot in, and one of the things that I don't like about the Lee Lodahl is that you could accidentally drop some powder or some of your shot into your powder. So just make sure you keep the bag angled to where you don't have to worry about it dropping in there. So that's one thing to watch out for. You don't want to get your shot cross-contaminated in there with your powders. So be real careful with that one. All right, let's go ahead and take some readings here. All right, first one I'm just going to dump back in. Take a look at my powder. All right, powder's still the same, that hasn't changed. Get my shot. Now with my shot, I want to go ahead and move my scale to ounces, and that's showing me 1.01. The bushing that I've got in here is for 1 ounce, so I want to go ahead and take another sample. All right, I'm at 1 ounce, so now I know I'm good with this one. The powder, I do recommend 6 to 8 times to verify it. The shot, usually it's 2 to 3 times. This one's pretty much dead on, so I'm not going to worry about that one. I can go ahead and put the cap back on, and I'm all set to go. Another option for loading your shot shell, you can go ahead and put it into a cup too, instead of just loading with your bag. So here, I can actually measure it out a little bit better. And whatever's excess, I can just go ahead and keep off to the side. And what I like about that method too is that you can actually control the volume that goes in there a little bit better, so you don't have to worry about cross-contamination over to your powder.